This is the V2A watch. V2A. It is a very nice watch. See, this is the model number 1299. Multi-function, stainless steel, resistance, back. I took it before 2 years. Still, the battery is working very fine and going very good. But the strap is, see, the small. So it comes like this. So it comes like this. The width is less. See here. Here the width is less. The width is near about 18.5. So whereas, see, I modified this. What you have to do is that, so it is 22 mm. See here it is written 22 mm. When you check here, it may be 22 mm, but here it is not 22 mm. It is reducing. See, I clearly say, I clearly show you. Near about 21. Sorry. Near about 22. Let's see here. It is. Here it is showing 21.5, but whereas when you come here, see, when you come here, it is showing 18.5. So this much is the difference, 22. When you increase the width of this, the watch gives more look when you wear it on hand. So whereas actually this is 22 size, you have to cut it a little bit. See, this actually, for this, it's a 22 mm, so you have to cut the edges, these edges little bit, this side and this side, then you have to place. The watch, when you take this watch to the watchmaker, he will guide you, he will make it exactly. So this is modified. So when comparing to the earlier model, then the watch, the look of the watch is very nice. Modified strap. So these are very less in distance. This is big in distance. When you wear it on, it gives a very good look. I will show you. Nice look. The design of the strap is also nice. Comparing to this, this is very nice and awesome. See, you can clearly watch from both the sides how stylish look it is giving. Very, very stylish look. Very stylish look comparing to this model. This is awesome. Inside it is plain, outside it is designed. It is very nice. If anyone want to go, they can go at your local place to get it modified. Modifications of vehicle or anything is very good if you do it properly. I hope this video is useful. Let us meet again.